Hi, welcome. I am Lori Best, and I am your child's seventh grade technology teacher this year. I'm making this video quickly in case you weren't able to attend open house the other night, or in case you just didn't have enough time to actually get to say hello and introduce yourself and your student. So I wanted to give you a little bit of information about what this class is, what are we going to do this year, and all the fun we're going to have. So this is a class that's the seventh grade technology component, and all seventh graders take it. It is using the code.org curriculum for the Computer Science Discoveries course. And here's just a little overview of what we'll be learning. The first unit, we spend a lot of time doing some hands-on problem-solving activities and explore how computer scientists think and what is the process that they use to accomplish the tasks that they are working on. So it's a lot of problem solving. At the end of Unit 1, students will brainstorm an idea for a proposal for a new app, and they have to think about how would a computer work and how would their proposed app work. So we talk about input and output, about processing and storage, and they dream up some kind of fabulous new app. In Unit 2, we dive into websites and web design. So they will learn the computer languages HTML and CSS, and they will build their own website from scratch about any topic that they're interested in. And in Unit 3, then, we get into animation and gaming. Oh, they love that part, and it's a lot of fun. And they're primarily using the programming language JavaScript. If your student has had any prior experience in code.org or in the Hour of Code, they'll be familiar with how that looks and what we're doing. Hopefully, we'll be able also to add in some robotics using Sphero robots. And Code has also added in a component on artificial intelligence, and some predictive technology and things which social media uses, and it's very relevant to today. What will your student need for class? Basically, for computer science class, number one is a positive attitude. You know, most students do not have prior experience in any programming. And as a result, everybody's coming in kind of on a level playing field. So we focus a lot on, yes, you can do it. We are here to help each other, and I'm here to help you. And it is possible no matter if you're kind of a geeky tech kind of person or if that kind of stuff doesn't interest you at all. All right. Attitude number one, bring something to write with, a notebook, which we will use as a journal, and your Chromebook, and have that completely charged for that very first day of school. My class is an every other day class, so your student will either have me on A days or B days. The most common resources that we will use are Schoology and code.org. All of the resources, as far as any paper assignments, are going to be in Schoology. I'll give them paper as well, and they can choose if they want to submit it online or just do it the good old-fashioned way on paper. Schoology is a great resource then also to check calendar. That's where all of your grades will be housed. All of your classes are there, all the information. All right, so that's kind of the main hub for everything we do. A lot of our work then, especially when we get into programming, will be done on code.org. All right, so those are basically the two big ones. If, as a parent or guardian, you are interested in getting some text reminders, I use the Remind app. If your student has me on A days, then what you can do on your smartphone is send a text. In the to part, type in this number, 81010, and in the message, simply type the @ symbol, best a day, BESTADAY. If it's a B day that your student has class, then very similarly, send a text on your smartphone. In the to part, again, it's 81010. And this time in the message, simply type @ best B day, all one word. Or there are also some spots down here you can join right from a computer, from a web browser. All right. So I look very forward to meeting your students. I'm excited for this first day. We will have a lot of fun together, and tell your students, don't be nervous. We're all here to help you, and we want to have you and your students have a wonderful first day and a great seventh grade year. Thanks, and sign up for Remind.